India will be the third largest economy soon.
In this video, we are diving into the promising economic forecast for India and its ambition to become the world's third largest economy by 2031. But while the numbers look good, there are stark realities that we need to address. India currently ranks as the fifth largest economy, trailing by the US, China, Japan, and Germany. According to S&P Global, India is on the track to become a $10 trillion economy by the end of this decade. The latest forecasts suggest a robust annual GDP growth of 6.7%, supported by a strong rebound in private consumption and investment. China had seen remarkable growth over the last few decades, becoming the second largest economy through aggressive manufacturing and export strategies. The US remains the largest, with a strong focus on innovation and technology. Germany and Japan have also established themselves through engineering excellence and technological advancements. India's trajectory mirrors some of these achievements, but it's crucial to highlight the unique challenges it faces. As India seeks to integrate further into global value chains, it must diversify its economy and enhance logistics infrastructure. The recent approval for a major port in Maharashtra is a strategic move to strengthen trade routes with Russia, Central Asia, and Europe. This aligns with global initiatives like China's Belt and Road Initiative as India aims to secure its foothold in regional markets.
ये देश ही नहीं, दुनिया के सबसे गहरे पोर्ट में से एक महत्वपूर्ण पोर्ट होगा.
To achieve its ambitious economic goals, India must address environmental challenges, including air pollution and climate change. S&P emphasizes the need for an energy transition, aiming to triple renewable energy capacity to 500 GW by 2030. Innovations in low-emission technologies like green hydrogen and carbon capture will be essential.
The vision of the Honorable Prime Minister for 2047, the Viksit Bharat vision, has key pillars, and I'll take this opportunity to just briefly mention about them. Economic growth, social progress, environmental sustainability, and good governance. Banks will have to play a crucial role in driving the agenda set by the Honorable Prime Minister. And by your role, we are going to give greater momentum to achieving this dream.
Agriculture, which contributes 18% of India's GDP, will play a pivotal role in this growth. Advanced technologies and policies are necessary to enhance productivity and infrastructure. Additionally, the AI market in India is projected to grow significantly, attracting investments that could reshape multiple sectors. While India stands at the cusp of becoming a global economic powerhouse, it must not lose sight of the challenges faced by millions of its citizens. The path to becoming the third largest economy is promising, but requires a balanced approach that ensures no one is left behind.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.